So my refrigerator decided to turn into a freezer. It is a 2-year-old Kenmore Elite. So what I did was remove the very center of the fridge, which connects the freezer to the fridge. So the way this works, the freezer gets all the cooled air first, and then the computer takes this distribution device and will open and close a flap that goes to the freezer using a 4-wire stepper motor and a temperature feedback. So I removed the flapper motor from its original location, and it was in the open position already. So I tested the ohms between each coil set, and they were all around 300 ohms of resistance, which was right in spec for the part number that I pulled off of the GE website. And then I tested this other servo motor. It's actually a stepper motor. They both tested well. So I just unplugged the fridge, plugged them back in with them at the halfway mark before I plugged them in, and then I plugged the fridge back in, and I watched the computer go through the reset mode. It looked like it was zeroing where they were going, so they're both moving. Here's the box to one of them. I think they may have lost a step, and that's why the freezer, the refrigerator was turning into a freezer. So I'll put this back together, and in maybe a week or so we'll know if it's just lost a step or if maybe the drivers are bad. Either way, that's Sears wanted $500 to do this. No thanks, I'll do it myself.